Exploring cosmic mysteries. Purple alien life and a nearby water-rich exoplanet. Welcome to an exciting journey through the cosmos, where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly being pushed, and the mysteries of the universe are unveiled one discovery at a time. Today, we bring you two groundbreaking stories that will ignite your imagination and fuel your curiosity about the potential for life beyond our planet. In our first story, Sorry, Little Green Men, Alien Life Might Actually Be Purple, we dive into a fascinating study suggesting that if we ever encounter extraterrestrial life, it might not be the green beings we've often imagined, but rather life forms colored in vibrant shades of purple. A team of astronomers has been meticulously cataloging the unique chemical signatures of purple bacteria, which thrived on early Earth and could similarly flourish on distant exoplanets orbiting dim red stars. This research opens up exciting new possibilities in our search for life in the universe, challenging our assumptions and expanding our horizons. Our second feature, Nearby Exoplanet May Be Rich in Life-Giving Water, Study Finds, introduces you to the intriguing exoplanet LHS 1140b, located just 50 light-years away in the constellation Cetus. This planet orbits within the habitable zone of its host star, making it a prime candidate for liquid water and possibly life. Discovered in 2017, LHS 1140b has been the subject of intense study, revealing that it might either be a water world or possess a thick atmosphere filled with light elements. The upcoming observations by the James Webb Space Telescope could soon confirm these theories, placing LHS 1140b at the forefront of our quest to find life beyond Earth. Join us as we explore these incredible discoveries and ponder the profound implications they hold for our understanding of life in the universe. From the possibility of purple-hued alien microbes to the tantalizing prospect of a nearby water world, these stories promise to captivate your imagination and inspire your sense of wonder. Let's embark on this cosmic adventure together and uncover the secrets of the universe. Sorry, Little Green Men, alien life might actually be purple. What if instead of little green men, alien life turned out to be purple? This intriguing possibility has scientists buzzing with excitement. A recent study by a group of astronomers suggests that purple bacteria, not unlike those that once dominated Earth, could be thriving on distant planets orbiting red dwarf stars. A new perspective on alien life. Traditionally, when we imagine extraterrestrial life, we think of green aliens or microbes. But this new research is turning that idea on its head. The team behind this study is dedicated to expanding our search parameters, ensuring we don't overlook any potential signs of life. According to Lisa Kaltenegger of Cornell University, we want to create a database for signs of life to make sure our telescopes don't miss life if it happens not to look exactly like what we encounter around us every day. She suggests that on many different worlds, purple could be the new green. The evolutionary tale of purple bacteria. To understand why purple bacteria are so significant, we need to delve into Earth's history. Life on our planet sustains itself on oxygen-producing photosynthesis driven by chlorophyll, the green pigment that most of us are familiar with. But this wasn't always the case. Around 2.4 billion years ago, cyanobacteria, tiny blue-green algae, became the first known species to photosynthesize using chlorophyll. They transformed sunlight and carbon dioxide into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct and dramatically changing our atmosphere. Before this chlorophyll revolution, life might have relied on a different pigment, retinal. This purple pigmented molecule captured sunlight to generate metabolic energy, a method that may have been more common in Earth's distant past. The idea is that if retinal existed on early Earth, it might also be present on far-off worlds, potentially detectable by the new generation of ground and space-based telescopes, searching for purple life beyond Earth. They already thrive here in certain niches, explains Ligia Fonseca Coelho of the Carl Sagan Institute. Just imagine if they were not competing with green plants, algae and bacteria. A red sun could give them the most favorable conditions for photosynthesis. The current search for alien life is biased towards green pigments because we've focused primarily on organisms that use chlorophyll. But what if we're missing a huge part of the picture? Coelho and her team aim to correct this bias. They've developed a catalog of the chemical signatures of purple bacteria, collecting samples from diverse environments like shallow ponds at Cornell, Massachusetts' Cape Cod, and deep-sea hydrothermal vents. By measuring these unique fingerprints, they've provided astronomers with a new dataset to guide future telescopic searches, simulating purple planets. The researchers didn't stop at cataloging. They took it a step further, running simulations to model how purple bacteria might dominate a variety of Earth-like planets. Imagine worlds with vast oceans, frozen surfaces, or rocky terrains akin to our own, all teeming with purple life. These simulations showed that purple bacteria could produce detectable biosignatures, offering astronomers a fresh perspective on what to look for when scanning the cosmos for life. The implications of these findings are vast. Next-generation telescopes, like the European Extremely Large Telescope being built in Chile and NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory, scheduled for launch around 2040, will be equipped to detect these biosignatures. This new approach could revolutionize our understanding of where and how to find alien life. The bigger picture. Kaltenegger's excitement is palpable. "We are just opening our eyes to these fascinating worlds around us," she says. This research not only broadens our search for extraterrestrial life, but also deepens our understanding of life's potential diversity. By considering organisms that thrive in conditions vastly different from those on Earth, we expand our horizons and prepare for discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the universe. This study, published on April 16th in the journal Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, Letters, challenges us to think beyond the familiar and embrace the unknown. As we refine our tools and techniques, who knows what other surprises await us in the cosmos? Part 2. Nearby exoplanet may be rich in life-giving water, study finds. If confirmed in the future, this would mark the first indirect detection of liquid water on an exoplanet. Imagine a world 50 light-years away, teeming with the potential for life. This is the tantalizing possibility presented by a new study on LHS 1140b, an exoplanet orbiting a small star in the constellation Cetus. This distant world may be a life-friendly water world, and the James Webb Space Telescope could soon confirm this exciting prospect. LHS 1140b, a promising candidate. Discovered in 2017, LHS 1140b orbits within the habitable zone of its host star, LHS 1140. This dim, small star provides just enough energy to potentially support liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Initial observations revealed that LHS 1140b is a rocky planet, about 1.7 times wider than Earth. However, a fresh analysis has suggested something even more intriguing. LHS 1140b isn't dense enough to be purely rocky. This means it must either have significantly more water than Earth, or a vast atmosphere composed of light elements like hydrogen and helium. While researchers can't yet determine which scenario is true, the JWST could provide the answers in the coming years. If LHS 1140b is indeed a water world, it would become a prime target in the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. The importance of liquid water. Since the planet is in the habitable zone, it's really interesting, because if you had water on the surface of a planet inside the habitable zone, you would expect that some of the water is in the liquid state, said Charles Cadieux, an astronomy researcher at the University of Montreal and lead author of the study. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it, making LHS 1140b an exciting candidate for further exploration. Since the first discovery of an exoplanet in 1992, astronomers have confirmed more than 5,500 worlds orbiting stars in our galaxy. However, only a handful of these exoplanets are considered potentially habitable. Among them, the TRAPPIST-1 system has been a focal point, with 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which reside in the habitable zone. Unfortunately, recent James Webb Space Telescope observations suggest these planets may be barren, lacking atmospheres and surface water due to their star's intense activity. A less active star. Unlike TRAPPIST-1, the star LHS 1140 is much less active. At about 20% the size and mass of our Sun, it emits just enough energy to create habitable conditions in a region much closer to its surface. Despite orbiting its star more than 4 times closer than Mercury does to our Sun, LHS 1140b is thought to be cooler than Earth, offering a potentially stable environment for water and possibly life. I think that LHS 1140 is the next most interesting exoplanet system, after TRAPPIST-1 in terms of habitability, Cadieux remarked. The results of their study helped guide future investigations, identifying what to look for with advanced observational programs. Looking to the future, the research team has applied for time with the JWST to further study the LHS 1140 system, hoping to determine whether LHS 1140b has an atmosphere rich in hydrogen and helium or an abundance of water. If it is confirmed as a water world, climate modeling could reveal the presence of liquid water on its surface, marking the first indirect detection of liquid water on an exoplanet. Expanding our understanding of exoplanets, the potential discovery of a water world like LHS 1140b is more than just an exciting development. It represents a significant step forward in our understanding of exoplanets and the conditions that might support life beyond Earth. The habitable zone of LHS 1140 offers a unique environment where liquid water could exist, providing an essential ingredient for life. This discovery also underscores the importance of continued exploration and observation using advanced technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope. A window into the past and future. Studying LHS 1140b not only helps us understand the present conditions of distant worlds, but also provides a glimpse into the past of our own solar system. By comparing exoplanets like LHS 1140b to Earth, we can learn more about how planets evolve, how atmospheres form and dissipate, and what factors contribute to a planet's habitability. This knowledge could inform future missions and even guide the search for life on other moons and planets within our own solar system. The discovery and study of LHS 1140b highlight the collaborative nature of astronomical research. Scientists from around the world have contributed to this effort, pooling their expertise and resources to uncover the mysteries of distant worlds. This teamwork extends to future observations and missions, as researchers plan to use the JWST and other advanced telescopes to gather more data and refine their models. As we continue to explore the cosmos, each new discovery brings us closer to answering some of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? What other forms of life might exist? How do planets and stars evolve over time? The journey to uncover these answers is just beginning, and the discovery of LHS 1140b is a thrilling chapter in this ongoing adventure. As we wrap up this thrilling exploration of the cosmos, let's reflect on the groundbreaking insights we've uncovered. The possibility that alien life might not be the little green men of our imaginations, but instead vibrant, purple-hued organisms opens up a whole new spectrum of potential discoveries. The pioneering work of astronomers cataloging the chemical signatures of purple bacteria hints at the diverse forms life could take on distant exoplanets, particularly those orbiting dim red stars. Simultaneously, the tantalizing revelations about LHS 1140b, a potentially water-rich exoplanet just 50 light-years away, bring us closer than ever to finding a world beyond our own that could harbor life. With the James Webb Space Telescope poised to provide further insights, we stand on the brink of confirming whether this intriguing planet is a life-friendly water world. These discoveries not only expand our understanding of the universe, but also deepen our appreciation for the complexity and diversity of life. They remind us that our quest to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos is just beginning, with each new finding propelling us further into the unknown. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and science. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to stay updated with the latest discoveries, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you high-quality content that fuels curiosity and inspires wonder. Let's keep exploring the universe together.